Whoa, it's big. Whoa, it's big. Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Oh, yes! That's what you want. And that's what the hard work paid out for. Woohoo! Yeehaw, baby! Woo! I haven't seen it. No colour yet. Bloody some weight, I tell you. Come on, buddy. Yes! Look at that! Woohoo! Look at him, ladies and gentlemen. That is a good golden trevally. Don't really want another Spanish or golden because I can't fit it anywhere, so but have a bloody go at it. Beautiful. Woo-hoo! This is the lure that's been doing all the damage. Just over the shoals and cha-bam! It's about a 50 centimeter trout. Woohoo! Love it. It's only about a 1.3 meter tide. I usually leave it till about 1.6 to get in here, but I want to get home today. I've already got good trout, good Spanish, good golden in there, so
you sort of get to them second ones at the moment, eh?
yeah.
Oh, yep, that's a little barrel. Oh, I'm just... Oh, I got him down here, boy.
Got him on the frog. First fish on the frog, bud.
Let's go. Here, man.
Okay.
The old rig.
Bowler.
That's probably the smallest barrel I've ever heard. You just blooped the lure, but...
Hey, come here, bud.
I thought you just blooped the lure.
Straight out, eh?
There's a fair bit of bait up in there, bro, so there had to be something sitting up in there.
He's only tiny.
I gotta keep going, bro. I gotta keep going, bro.
Yeah, get him.
Jack's up here.
See you later, buddy. Beautiful, bro. Look at that, boys, eh? Smacked him. Oh well.
He's solid. He's like
He is solid. He is lovely. Yep. He's got me. Oh, you got one too. He's still there. Got him.
Jack?
Jack, yeah.
He's okay or what?
Yeah, he'll be legal.
He's legal.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Bowler. Hey, what a day, boys. Might get you to get a hold up for me with him, eh?
Yeah.
Curry's cheering. Lovely.
Not bad.
Barry, this is living. Couple of magpie geese, mate. Yep. Oh shit, he got me in the current. Yeah, I got one, but he's got me in this weed, bro. Look, he's back here. He's only little. Chee-hoo! Got the dog. You said, bud, I wouldn't like to get a metery in that current. Chee-hoo! See you later, buddy. Go and get big. Got him. here.
Better fish.
Yeah, lovely fish.
Oh, but I cast it.
He'd be 60 odd, eh?
Yeah, I should have.
He's putting it on him.
Gotta get him high, bro. Gotta try drive and find this fish. I gotta go first head first, yeah. That's it.
Oh, we need a bigger net.
Kitty and Carl's
That's why
baby
we come
Otto
up here.
both have
Don't want it. Oh, yep. Right at the boat. Right at the fucking boat. Another little ratty. Sitting under the boat. Where they...
Got him.
Oh, get out. Lovely. Yep.
Okay, fish on here. Double.
This is where they are, bud. Settle down, dickhead. And we'll be friends.
Fuck, he just jumped into the bait there. That was funny as well.
Oh, he's got you in there, didn't he? See you, bud. Ah, you March fly dog.
Very good, yeah.
Oh, straight on the fucking end.
Right, I'm doing it, bud.
He's going for it. Oh, that's a better fish, eh? I think he's over legal, that fella.
No.
You go, oh, maybe walk that way, bro. You try and get him into that bay. I'll come with you. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. Yep. Literally 5 seconds, you prick. What was that up that lane again? He's a better fish, I think, eh? Maybe, yeah, walk that way.
That fucking foam, eh?
Yeah, you can't see shit. Yeah, he's better. My God! What is going on?
We're upgrading a few of them.
I'll go at this pot. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. One less than last time, bud. And then look in here. So we're here to get all the A grades, tie them up, sort them. Look at them barnacles. They're all A grades. That's our problem. Going to be letting some good crabs go today. Grading here. I'm just tying some crabs.
Look at the crabs that are going back.
Yeah, that's going back. Look at that thing going back. Another John Jones arm spin. Cheers, bud. Oh, reach.